Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the further terminology of accounting. Event, result, what is event? Result or situation arise from the transaction is called event. Result or situation arise from the transaction is called event. Then what is the main here problem is result or situation arise from transaction. Then what is the question arise? What is transaction? In simple words, friends, transaction means exchange. Exchange something between two or more persons is called transaction. So, exchange of goods and services on cash or credit between two or more persons or institution is called transaction. So, from this word, another two words are arise: cash or credit. So, further terminologies are based on types of transaction. Which are the types of transaction? First, economic transaction, non-economic transaction, cash transaction, credit transaction. So friends, there are four types of transaction in accounting. First, economic transaction. Any activity related with money is called economic transaction. Then we can easily understand that any activity do not related with money is called non-economic transaction. But in non-economic transaction are based on love, feelings or relationship. So we can say that any activity related with fear, love, feeling, etc. are called non-economic transaction. Friend, remember one thing in commerce line. Non-economic transactions are not recorded in any type of accounting book. So, in accounting book, only economic transactions are recorded. So, there are another types of economic transaction. First, cash transaction. Any transaction done by cash, check, demand draft or a bill are called cash transaction. Any transaction done by cash, check, demand draft or bill are called cash transaction. So in accounting, friends, you will have to decide one thing first. The transaction is economic or not, and there are, if the transaction is non-economic, no problem. But economic transaction, you have to first decide that it was cash or not. So characteristics of cash transactions are necessary. This is the basic of accounting. So first character, cash word is given. Payment or received word is given. When person name is not given, any transaction in which person name is not given, you can consider that it is cash transaction. For example, salary paid, interest received, goods purchased, goods sold, depreciation. These all types of transactions are called cash transaction. And then credit transaction. Any transaction done on credit is for credit transaction. Any transaction done on credit is for credit transaction. We can also say that in which transaction the payment is postponed in the future, for the future, then it is for credit transaction. So friend, in credit transaction, payment is not done at the time of transaction. Payment is given after some time, 2, 3, 4 months, etc. So these type of transactions are called credit transaction. So, which are the characteristics of credit transaction? In this type of transaction, person or institution name is given, and cash, check, demand draft are not given. Or you can also say that payment, received or paid words are not used. Then you can say that it is credit transaction. So now another important terminology is assets. At first, in the past, we have discussed about goods and assets. Fourth or fifth word, any goods, things received for the purpose of business are called goods. But any things purchased for the facility, privilege of owner are called assets. So now we are going to discuss about detail in assets. So what is assets? Tangible or intangible? This is most important and the best definition of assets. Tangible or intangible, product or item has economic value is called assets. Tangible or intangible, product or item has economic value is called assets. Tangible, you can see it, you can touch it, and intangible, you cannot see it, you cannot touch it. So now we are going to discuss about types of assets. There are mainly three types of assets: non-current assets, current assets, and fictitious assets. First, tangible assets. Assets having physical existence and can be touched are called tangible assets. The assets having physical existence and can be touched are called tangible assets. And assets do not have physical existence and you cannot touch or see it. It is called intangible assets. Friends, you have to remember intangible assets up to your education. Please This list you have to consider very long time. Which type of, state the type of intangible asset, then goodwill, patent, trademark, copyright, software, license and franchise are the intangible assets. We have to remember very long time. Please, once again, understand which are the types of intangible assets, or give list of intangible assets. So goodwill, patent, trademark, copyright, franchisee, software and license. So these are intangible assets. So friends, now in further lesson we are going to discuss about some terminology of accounting. Thank you. Listen this more and more time, often and often, and make note of this terminology. Thank you, friends.